You searched how to buy shares of Enea AB, so this video shows the practical steps. Enea AB is a Swedish telecom software and embedded systems company listed on CBOEEU under the ticker ENEA.ST, and this is an educational demonstration, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account, and we use eToro purely as an example. After registering, you will normally need to verify your account with an ID and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search box and type the ticker ENEA.ST to find the company. Make sure you select the listing that matches Enea AB on CBOEEU. On the stock page, review the company overview, recent news, and the price chart to confirm it is the right asset. Check the listing details and ticker to be certain you are viewing Enea AB. Click the Invest or Buy button, enter the amount you want to invest, and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may execute when it reopens, and if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it confirms the purchase. Once executed, your new position will appear in your portfolio, and you can monitor it there. A link to the platform used in this demo is in the description for reference.